So today I'm going to show you how to downgrade your Pandas-DataReader to 0.5.0 to work with Python 3.6 or higher version, because you will run into its list-like error like I did. So first of all, I assume that you've installed Anaconda. Simply go to Start and the Anaconda tree, click the Anaconda Navigator icon and go to the Anaconda Navigator. So you just wait for the setup. It's going to take quite a while. So it's running. Once you get into the Anaconda Navigator, click the environments. So usually I will create a new environment in addition to the base environment so that I can test different projects with different Python packages. Okay, so let me just scroll down and click, let me just scroll down and click create. Let me just enter a new environment, call it test environment. And I'm going to install Python 3.6. Okay, it's going to install to the location here. Simply click create to move on. And now I'm installing the environment. If you're using a dual core computer, it might be taking longer time. So just bear it in mind. Okay, so now we have the new environment. I just call it test_environment. And you have all these, right? Then I'm going to select this environment so that you have an arrow here. And I click all. Then I search the package Pandas. And now I'm going to install Pandas and Pandas-DataReader. The Pandas-DataReader will be version 0.6. I'll downgrade that later on. So I just select the two, go down, just click the apply button to install the package. So you have the install package here, click apply to move on. So we're done. Usually I will check my package by going to the environment, remove the search tags and select install to check whether I have the Pandas and Pandas-DataReader installed. And I know that my Pandas-DataReader is version 0.6.0. I'm going to downgrade that. Okay, Control Q to quit the Anaconda Navigator. Then I go to the Start, Programs, Anaconda Tree, and then Anaconda Prompt. Inside Anaconda Prompt, I'm going to navigate to my newly created environment. So I just activate the environment that I just create, press enter. I simply do conda install pandas. This one should be dash. DataReader equals 0.5.0, and then I press enter. Then I'm prompted to answer whether I should proceed to the downgrade from Pandas-DataReader 0.6 to 0.5. Simply hit yes, enter. Okay, so I'm going to check whether I can grab stock data using the Yahoo Finance. You may use your own editor, but I'm going to use Python idle. So I just do Python -m idle lib.idle, then press enter. Then I can start coding. First of all, you need to import pandas as PD. You need to use the pandas package. Before you import the Pandas-DataReader as web, if you do that, okay, let me press enter, then you will get this cannot input name problem. And what you need to do is simply assign the list like to the API types in the pandas package. So just copy that, Control V, okay, just press enter. Then you can import Pandas-DataReader as web. Then you won't get any error message. And now I'm going to start getting the stock data from Yahoo Finance. So let me just define the stock. The stock is DJI. You can check this symbol from Yahoo Finance. Okay. And the start date, I just picked 1990 Jan 1st. And I want to get the latest date. So what I'm going to do is import datetime as DT. Just scroll down a little bit. And the end date is going to be dt.datetime.today. So let me just create a table called df data frame equals web, which is the one that I just create, web.data-reader, and then the first one is the stock that I just defined, and then the tool that I'm going to use is Yahoo Finance. It's going to be from the start day to the end day. Press enter. This should be good to go. Good. Print the first 5 rows to see if I get the stock data. Yep, so that's the stock data that I got from Yahoo Finance. And let me just print last 5 rows, right? So it's September 20th. Okay, so you are good to go. Thank you. Bye-bye.